Now, given 2 points, the slope of a line is given by the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is, if the two given points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So this is what's given, and then this is the slope. Okay, so in this case, these are our 2 points. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. And so the slope of the line is given by 7 minus 3, that's y2 minus y1, over 15 minus negative 2. 7 minus 3 is 4, and 15 minus negative 2 is positive 17. So that's the slope. Now, we're also asked to find out whether the line through the points rises, falls, is horizontal or vertical. Now, in this case, since the slope is positive, it's greater than 0, so the line rises. I'm going to make a little note here just to tell you that if the slope was in case less than 0, then that means the slope is negative, so then the line would fall. In the same way, we want to find the slope for the next example. So this is x1, y1, x2, and y2, and our slope is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is negative 4 minus negative 4 over 12 minus 7. So the numerator is negative 4, and the negative negative is positive 4 over 12 minus 7. Negative 4 plus 4 cancels out to give you 0. And so you have 0 over 12 minus 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 0 over 5 is just 0. And so the slope of this line is 0. If the slope is 0, that means the line's just a flat line. And if it's a flat line, then in this case it means that the line is horizontal. Now for the last example, once again, I'm going to find the slope by the usual formula. So that's 3 minus 1 over 5 minus 5. Now 3 minus 1 is 2, but 5 minus 5 is 0. Now this is a number that's not defined, or what we like to say, it's in some sense infinity. When this happens, if the slope is not defined, then the line is vertical. So the line looks like this. So to summarize, if the slope is greater than 0, then the line rises. So basically the line looks something like this. If the slope is negative, then the line falls. So it looks something like this. It starts out at the top and then falls below. If the slope is 0, then the line is horizontal, or it's just a flat line that looks like this. And if the slope is undefined, then the line is vertical. So that's a summary of all you need to know about slopes.